Kaizer Chiefs. Hey guys, how are you? Today I want us to talk about this guy. This guy is a very good player, guys. Despite the fact that Kaizer Chiefs lost this game, but this guy, Oximtetwa, he plays a very good football. You see that man of the match, he deserves it. He was fighting. It is his style of play as a CDM. He challenges every ball. His physicality. This guy is so strong. He can dispossess anyone. This guy, he is so good. He is so good in his position. Guys, let us appreciate people who are good, who are doing good job. Hi, this guy is so good, guys. I know he needs to improve in certain areas like shooting. We want to see him shooting long range goals. We want to see him scoring, of course. But guys, in terms of marking, this guy, he dispossesses a ball. He stops the attacks, the dangerous attacks. Guys, Kaizer Chiefs, you have good players. You need to put them in a good way so that you can win the games. Firstly, you need a coach. You need a good coach. Kaizer Chiefs, please find a good coach so that he can combine these players in a good way so that Kaizer Chiefs will be able to win matches. Look now, you are going to a CAF Confederation Cup. You need to challenge that cup. As South Africans, we want to see our teams dominating in CAF, in all CAF competitions. So guys, Kaizer Chiefs, you have a quality players. You need to combine them well. I am impressed. You see this guy, Oximtetwa. Hi, this is the Oximtetwa that we know from Stellenbosch now. This guy, he's so good. So, Oximtetwa, keep on pushing, my guy. Hey, you plays a very good football, my guy. Thank you.